Hi guys, we got an update for you regarding on the Fantastic Four's main villain which is Galactus. So officially confirmed na po na si Ralph Ineson ang gaganap bilang Galactus. Sino nga ba si Ralph Ineson? But before we answer that, sino si Galactus is to destroy as if by eating. So kumakain siya ng planeta guys, si Galactus. Yes, yun ang role niya, to absorb the power or resources of a planet and to become much stronger than ever before. Meron siyang herald or kanang kamay, si Silver Surfer. So merong babae and lalaki na Silver Surfer guys. So sa movie na to is gaganap ay isang babae. So si Ralph Ineson guys, isa siyang English actor and also a voice actor na mas kilala bilang malalim ang kanyang boses. As far as I can remember, una ko nakita si Ralph Ineson sa Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1 and Part 2 bilang si Amicus Carroll. So, kasama siya ni